everybody, it's Kay
and Dad
from Kay's Kreations, and today we are going to show you how to make a soul sand elevator. Let's get building. So, you're gonna need some glass, a soul sand block, 2 signs,
and some water.
Yep. Let's get building.
So the first part we're building is the tube
that
you're going to ride up into the top level from.
Yes.
And now that that's done, we'll dig down our entrance.
With the pickaxe.
We're going to go ahead 5 blocks down. This one, we'll put a source block of water so we don't take any fall damage when we drop down in. Put 2 signs here on the side that'll hold back our water column. It will be our elevator.
Yes. Very simple, yet very good to have.
And then we are going to dig 1 block down here and place our soul sand. Now we're going to put our fall damage water block
right
there. And we'll start our elevator water.
Replace it for the stair.
Yep.
I don't have it.
I think we got one over here.
Wait, we have one here.
Alright, so there's our water elevator. Why don't you give it a test?
Perfect. Now we just need to make it down elevator.
Down elevator is even easier than this, because basically all we need is a hole in the ground, and a water block so we don't take any fall damage. So we're going to start with our glass like we did the last time.
Cube. Ow. Easy as pie.
How do I get out of here?
Simple, just TP to player.
No, I think somebody needs to make a hole at the bottom so we can get out. That would be you.
We'll just do that.
There we go.
Problem solved.
And there is your exit.
Power of magic.
Alright, try it again. Actually, before we go, there's one other thing. So we use this one today, obviously, on our train station, right?
Yeah.
So we can get up and down to our train station. But guys, you can modify these to about anything you want. We had our storage base over here, storage facility.
Yeah.
And instead of making an elevator to go up high or anything, we actually use the same mechanics to make our entrance.
You go up on the roof, find the staircase.
So you can see this is totally customizable. You can use these anywhere, anyhow, whatever suits your need for your build. Hope you guys liked it. I don't know where my partner went.
I dived into the lake, aka
Here's a lot.
I slapped you.
And I think that's it for today's build, guys.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe.
We'll see you in the next one.
Goodbye.
Ah.